Are you feeling like everything has ended? Like life shut the door and left you standing in the silence? Life doesn't warn you before it breaks you. One day you're strong, the next day you're just trying to survive. You keep showing up even when your heart is tired. You keep smiling even when everything inside you feels heavy. Some battles you fight alone, in silence, at night when no one is watching. And if this season feels like it's crushing you, listen closely, because this breaking is not the end of you.
Some days, life doesn't knock. It just walks in and takes everything you thought was stable. Your peace, your confidence, your sense of direction. You still wake up, you still move, but deep down, something feels off. Like you're carrying a quiet pain no one notices. You don't talk about it because you don't want to sound weak. So you stay silent and tell yourself you'll be fine. But the truth is, there are moments you sit alone and wonder how everything changed so fast. You gave your best. You tried to do the right thing. You believed things would work out. And yet, here you are, tired, confused, trying to hold yourself together. This is the part of the journey nobody talks about. The in-between season, where you're no longer who you used to be, but you haven't become who you're meant to be yet. It's uncomfortable here, it's lonely here, but it's also important, because this is where strength is built quietly. This is where faith is tested. This is where character is formed. You may feel like life is breaking you, but what if it's actually preparing you? What if this pain is shaping a version of you that won't beg, won't settle, and won't break again so easily? Stay with me, because what you're feeling right now has a purpose. Let me ask you something. What do you do when life breaks you? Not when life is easy, not when things are working out, but when everything you trusted starts falling apart, when your plans fail, when people you loved walk away, when you wake up tired, not from work, but from life itself. Because nobody prepares you for that moment. The moment when you realize you're not just hurt, you're broken. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. Life will break you at some point. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't care how good your heart is. It doesn't care how hard you tried. It breaks the strong. It breaks the kind. It breaks the dreamers. But listen carefully. Being broken does not mean being defeated. When life breaks you, it's not trying to destroy you. It's trying to reveal you. You see, breaking is painful, but it's also powerful, because broken things don't stay the same. They either stay down or they come back different. When life breaks you, it strips away the illusions, the fake confidence, the people who were never really there, the version of you that was surviving instead of living. And yes, it hurts. It hurts to lose what you thought would last forever. It hurts to realize you trusted the wrong people. It hurts to admit you gave your all and still ended up empty. But pain is not the enemy. Pain is the teacher. Pain teaches you boundaries. Pain teaches you self-respect. Pain teaches you who deserves access to your heart and who never did. When life breaks you, you learn how strong you are without applause, without support, without reassurance. You learn how to stand alone without becoming bitter. You learn how to love yourself without begging. You learn how to rebuild without rushing. And rebuilding is not loud, it's quiet. It happens in the moments no one sees. It happens when you choose to get up even though you feel empty. When you keep going even though motivation is gone. When you stop explaining yourself to people who never listened anyway. When life breaks you, you stop chasing validation. You stop proving yourself. You stop shrinking to make others comfortable because something shifts inside you. You realize you survived what you thought would destroy you. You realize you're still breathing, still standing, still here. And that alone is power. Some people break and become cruel. Others break and become wise. Some people break and close their hearts. Others break and learn how to love with boundaries. Some people break and give up. Others break and finally become who they were meant to be. So if life has broken you recently, if you feel lost, tired, disappointed, or misunderstood, hear this clearly. This is not the end of you. This is the beginning of a stronger version of you. You are not weak for feeling this way. You are human. And one day, you will look back at this season and realize it didn't break you to ruin you. It broke you to rebuild you. Stronger mind, wiser heart, unshakable spirit. If this speaks to you, drop a comment and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Word and Soul for more.